Hello student, welcome to biology tutorial. This is your science class. Today's topic of discussion is endoplasmic reticulum, which is the largest cell organelle of the cell, of any cell. So what is endoplasmic reticulum? Actually, for describing this endoplasmic reticulum, I draw a diagram here. It is a animal cell in which I have mentioned only few components of the cell, like cell membrane, nucleus, and this largest membrane bound tubular structure. ठीक है, so this tubular structure is known as endoplasmic reticulum. Actually, endoplasmic reticulum is the largest. Here you can also see that it is the largest network of membrane bound tubes. So it looks like tubules and oblong bags. Here you can see the structure. This is look like oblong bags, like so many oblong bags are stacked at a place. So in this structure I mentioned both kind of endoplasmic reticulum. Actually, endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. One is RER. It means the full form of this RER is mentioned here, the rough endoplasmic reticulum. R for rough, E for endoplasmic, R for reticulum. So RER. And the second is SER. SER means a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? So in this structure, I have mentioned both the ER at the same place. Actually, rough endoplasmic reticulum is the site of protein synthesis, and for this purpose ribosomes are attached to the membrane. Clear? Actually, when the ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, they produce protein, and protein is required for the sustainable development as well as the maintenance of the cell. Okay, so it is RER is the site of protein synthesis. Okay, and the second type, it's a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is responsible for lipid synthesis. And why we call it smooth? Actually, we call it smooth because there are no ribosomes attached to the membrane of this reticulum. Okay. So it is a site of lipid synthesis, and now you can see that one type of endoplasmic reticulum is synthesizing the protein, and second type of endoplasmic reticulum is synthesizing lipid, and these are the two main components of the cell membrane too. So these endoplasmic reticulum are responsible for the biogenesis. Okay. These both produces proteins and lipids which are responsible for the biosynthesis of plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is a very essential component of the cell, and the second function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum is to detoxify the cell. The crucial role in detoxification. Actually, these SER are present in liver cells of the vertebrates and VR vertebrates. So in human cells, especially in the liver cells of human, these cells are these organelles are present, which are responsible for the detoxification of the poison and toxic substances like drugs and other poisonous substances. Clear? One more thing, that the ER membrane is similar to this membrane is similar to plasma membrane in its structure. So both the structures are quite similar to each other, and these are the very important component of the cell. So this is all for the class, and in the next class I will discuss another cell organelle for you. Till then, goodbye.